Hello, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to change the speed of your video clip. Slow motion or speed up. The first step is to install and open Moviemator Video Editor Pro. Download the software for video editing onto your computer using the link in the description box. Run the installer, and follow the installation instructions. Step 2. Add image, video and audio files to the program. Click Open to add files or simply drag them to the media panel. Step 3. Arrange files on the timeline. Drag the clip to the video track. Step 4. Split the video clip and speed it up. Note that the playback speed of any sound in the video will be changed along with the video speed. Please mute the video track if you don't want the change. If you only want to change the speed of just one part of the video, you first need to cut that part of your video clip on the timeline. To do this, click on the video, and move the playhead to the beginning of the desired section. Then click on the split button. The clip will be separated at the playhead. Repeat the process to cut at the end of the selected segment. Then we are going to change the speed of the clip. Select the segment, press Ctrl key and click, then select Properties in the list. In the new window that opens, adjust the speed by pressing the up and down button or input the numbers. Here 3 means 2 times quicker of the original speed. Then click OK to apply the speed change to the clip. Step 5. Split the video clip, and slow it down. Repeat the steps to cut out the portion you want to slow down in Step 4. Then press Ctrl key and click, and select Properties in the list. In the new window that opens, adjust the speed by pressing the up and down button on the right or input the numbers. I changed the speed to 0.5 to cut it in half. Then click OK to apply the speed change to the clip. Step 6. Add audio to the video. To keep the original audio, simply drag the video to the audio track, then the audio will be separated from the video. Preview the video to make sure everything is right. Step 7. Export the video. To save the video, click Export Video button in the top menu. In the new window that opens, select a desired format or device for exporting, then set the video and audio parameters and click Export File to get the video. See you next time.